In this video, I will show you how to change your ESPN Fantasy logo. First, I'll show you how to do it on the app and then on the website. On the app, first just open up the app and log in, then tap the sport icon and select your league and team. From there, tap the gear icon, which takes you to your team settings, usually in the top right corner. From there, tap edit team info or team settings. Then under team logo, choose a default ESPN avatar or upload a custom image from your device if supported, and then save your changes. If you want to do it on the website, just go to fantasy.espn.com and log in, then select your league and go to My Team, click the gear, edit team settings, near your team name, find the team logo section and pick a default image or upload a custom logo from your computer, and then click Save Changes. So now you know how to change your ESPN Fantasy logo. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.